Do you want to send your Pi coins to a friend or another wallet, but not sure how? Don't worry. This video will show you exactly how to transfer Pi coins in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Currently, I have two devices as you can see in the screen. In this video, I will show you transferring Pi from one wallet to another wallet. Well, open your Pi network app. Click on Sign in with Pi browser. Open Pi wallet. Unlock your Pi wallet with passphrase. Never share your Pi passphrase with others. Always check the web address before interacting. Now your wallet is opened. Click on Pay or Request. You can see in screen. You can send and receive Pi with two different ways, with your wallet address or with your QR code. Here I am showing with scanning method. In screen you can see two devices. I am sending 500 Pi coins from one wallet to another, from right side device to the left side device in the screen. We select scan or show QR code. You can see I am sending Pi coins from right side phone to left side phone as I already mentioned. Now let's scan the QR code. Now you can input the number of Pi that you want to send. Well, I want to send 501 Pi coins to my wallet, from my referrals to my wallet. You can see there. After confirming the amount of Pi you want to send, you read the pop-up and then confirm the transactions. Now you can see Pi is already sent to another wallet. I have currently 500 plus Pi in my wallet as you can see. In next video, you will see how to transfer Pi to big exchanges and convert it into your cash. Well, this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.